The object I chose is this necklace. I wear it almost every day. I got it about 3 years ago from my mom. She got my sister and I matching necklaces. I think this really reflects both my social and spiritual self. As for my social self, I think it reflects how close I am with my sister and that I have a good relationship with her. Also, including not just my sister, but as well as my parents and my two brothers. When I am facing a problem, I tend to talk to my family about it before I would talk to a close friend or someone else important in my life. I think this is probably a result of how I was raised and that I am just more comfortable with my family than with other people. Another thing is my true personality tends to show a lot more when I'm with my family and close friends and I talk a lot more than share my ideas and I'm truthful in my conversations. Whereas in a classroom setting, I'm usually not my true self and don't really interact too much with others who don't know me as well. Then for my spiritual self, I think this necklace represents my beliefs on how important family is to me. I'm very close with my entire family, and I think it's an important relationship to have, not only now, but my entire life. Since I believe this importance of family, I tend to spend a lot of time with them and I enjoy that company a lot. Overall, I think this necklace is a good representation of my social and spiritual self. It shows that I am my true self when I am with my family, and that spending time with my family is something I value a lot.